MAT exam March attempt dates are released. Okay, the most awaited exam for many students, and this would be the last attempt for you to get into MBA admissions. Though there is May attempt, but many colleges will not accept for May, so this would be the last attempt for you. Don't miss it out. Just 50 days, 60 days more for the preparation. Let us see the details one by one now. So this first one. This is an official website. First of all, mat.aima.in, and in this website you can see the MAT registration form. Just fill in this form, register, and then you can start your application only after that. Okay, MAT application details, registration details we have given as a separate video. You can watch that if you have doubts in that. And this is the exam pattern, the same thing, the usual one. Okay, 5 sections, each 30 questions, and negative marking, and all the 5 are counted towards the MAT score. Okay, all the 5 sections, including this economics and business environment. Undoubtedly, this is also included in the composite score. Okay, next coming to the mode and the fees. So if you're planning for PBT or CBT, just any one exam, then it is 2,200. If you're planning for both PBT and CBT, then it's 3,800. You should have these IDs ready before you start the application. Mail ID, and then a scanned photo, a scanned signature, and payment, maybe a debit card or credit card or whatever, Google Pay, whatever. All modes are accepted. You should be ready with that. Okay, and this is the test date. The registration closes by 23rd February 2026 for the PBT mode, and the exam date is 1st March 2026. Similarly, computer-based test, the registration closes on 2nd March 2026, and the test date is 8th March 2026. Okay, and just 60 days more, hardly 60 days more for the exam. Okay, like if you're looking for any MAT, I'll tell you more about the test centers and all. Before that, if you're looking for any MAT related course, okay, everything is there in the description. You can just go through there and see. We offer all kind of preparation work, just test series, or only the current affairs notes, or a self preparation package, or a comprehensive course. Like, it has everything related to MAT. Okay, getting MAT materials on internet is not easy. We have everything in one place. You can make use of it and just prepare for the upcoming exam. And you can see here the test centers. Okay, before starting your application, you should be ready with this as well. Look at the test cities where the exams are conducted. So select the ones which are near by your location. You can see the places where it is conducted. PBT exam is conducted on all these cities, and CBT is conducted on all these places. Okay, make a note before you start your application. And one more thing you need to notice is the B schools, the participating B schools. That is because when you start your application, you have to fill up 5 to 7 colleges where the officials will send your scores there, okay, to these universities. So select the universities before you start the application. If you have all these things ready, then you can finish it in 30 minutes time, the application process. Okay, so this is a list of universities which accept the MAT exam. So it is zone wise given, so you can click on your particular zone to see the complete list here. And there are certain universities which is not listed here, but still they accept the MAT exam. So however, when you are filling the application, you have to choose from this list. Subscribe to our channel for any MAT related videos. There is already a lot of videos, just go through. If you have any questions, you need any doubts, any support, you can just give in the comment section as well. Thank you, bye.